Minneapolis Digital Marketing continues to evolve as the digital landscape develops and your market changes. As such, you will need to adjust your approach accordingly to ensure that you promote your enterprise effectively. Promotion is at digital marketing's core. Promoting enterprises online involves more refined capabilities than traditional methods. Businesses of all sizes require a certain level and scale of promotional campaigns to bring their enterprise to the forefront of their respective industries. Generally, digital marketing is about optimizing several activities to find what works best for your business. From creating your message and getting it to reach your target audience, you must measure its effectiveness and revise it as necessary. With different digital marketing activities and models that have unique functions, it may be necessary to get a Minneapolis digital marketing agency involved in your campaign. Discover what you can achieve with the right internet marketing strategy. Minneapolis digital marketing models. Although digital marketing constantly grows with every new internet development, there are time-tested methods that have a proven track record of improving customer engagement to determine the effectiveness of digital marketing campaigns. One model can be more effective than another for a specific enterprise. Some businesses may utilize a combination of two or more models. Meanwhile, others could build from the existing models and create a hybrid digital marketing model that works for them. These models of business growth include the following: 4 petaseconds, product, price, place, and promotion. Also known as the marketing mix, the 4 petaseconds concept is about matching a product or service with the right price, in the ideal location, and spreading the word to the right people. For example, as a digital marketer, you must understand who needs the product you are offering and why they would need it. Then, you will be able to match the product with an effective price that meets the expectations of your target audience. You will also decide where you will offer the product. Once you have all this information, you can proceed with your efforts to communicate the existence of your product to your customers. IDA, attention, interest, desire, and action. This digital advertising model targets the various stages that customers go through when they want to buy something. The IDA model starts with getting the attention of your audience, then moves on to building interest in what you are offering. After that, you must stimulate the desire for your product or service. Finally, you need to get customers to take action and buy what you are offering. STP, segmentation, targeting, positioning. The STP marketing model helps businesses identify their target audience and then craft the right message that speaks to them. Segmentation is about dividing a large market into smaller groups with shared characteristics. You can segment your market by factors like age, gender, income level, or location. After you have identified your market, you will need to decide which group you want to focus your marketing efforts on, which is where targeting comes in. You will need to identify the needs and wants of your audience and then customize your message to speak to them directly. Once you have your target market and message, you will proceed to positioning, which involves determining the best way to reach your target audience. You must choose the right channels to reach them and ensure that your message gets across clearly. Digital marketing activities. There are several ways you can deliver your brand's message to your intended consumers. The activities you choose will depend on your business goals, audience, and budget. A marketing agency may utilize one or a combination of the following digital marketing activities. Text and display ad creation. Text and display ads are forms of online marketing that utilize visuals to promote your products or services. This digital marketing strategy is the online equivalent of the yellow pages, newspaper ads, and billboards. Display ad creation is all about being visually on point. Brands must appeal to their target audience's visual senses while maintaining a recognizable brand image. Images and videos must be consistent across all targeted platforms. These ads appear on websites, social media platforms, and search engines as Google Ads. It depends on which channels the brand is targeting in its current campaign. Moreover, text and display ad creation can be a small part of a bigger digital marketing strategy. Brands can determine that display advertising is a relevant approach with the help of digital marketing agencies in MN. These professionals may offer display advertising services and assure them that they can translate the brand's identity into an effective visual campaign. Business owners might already have an idea of how they want to present their brand identity to their target audience. However, the evolving digital landscape has standards that may not immediately accommodate the brand's goals. Thus, marketing companies in MN can help out. Social media marketing. Social media marketing solutions revolve around reaching potential consumers that use any of the many different social media platforms that exist, including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Across these channels, there are over 3.5 billion active users. With that high number of users, there is surely a niche that will benefit from the products and services of your enterprise. Your campaign will aim to advertise your website to those people as they browse their social media timelines. Every social media marketing strategy goes beyond simply creating a page on a platform. To be effective, your plan must involve careful planning to ensure you post relevant content that meets the platform's specific standards. For example, Instagram primarily features images. Thus, your social media marketing plan may focus on showing different products in interesting setups to capture users looking at photos. Meanwhile, Twitter is a microblogging platform that helps you connect and answer user queries. You must learn the ins and outs of the different platforms. Once you understand their unique features, you can navigate the service and build a following on the platform. An established social media presence will open your brand to more marketing opportunities. Video marketing. Video is undeniably a significant part of most consumers' lifestyles. As of 2019, internet users have been spending an average of 6 hours and 48 minutes watching videos online. Online video channels include YouTube and TikTok as the top platforms. However, nearly every other social media platform hosts videos as well. Video marketing is an effective digital marketing tool to advertise and promote your business. Considering how consumers retain 95% of a message when they watch it on video, video is statistically more effective than text marketing strategies, without taking away from their importance. Some owners of local small businesses may be under the impression that a successful video marketing campaign requires blockbuster production. Perhaps they see their bigger competitors publishing content at those levels. However, technology has advanced enough to make video making accessible to anyone with a smartphone. If you have a company smartphone that you use to track social media performance, consider exploring the built-in tools to see what you can do to create videos. There should be a camera app you can use to record videos and a gallery app that offers basic video editing tools to help amplify your video's message. Email marketing. Email marketing is the original digital marketing format. While some enterprises may focus their efforts on other activities, email remains a valuable digital marketing asset, according to expert claims. With a quality email list, you have a reliable model to reach your target audience. Unlike most marketing models, email marketing campaigns are most likely to be evergreen. For comparison, social media marketing can be unstable because the associated platforms are prone to changes. Constantly updating algorithms will affect your marketing efforts. With email marketing, you are independent of online channels such as Facebook and Twitter. Thus, you get to focus on improving your email list without worrying about navigating new platform changes. Plus, one study mentioned that email can be up to 40 times more effective than social media. Automation is an essential component of a successful email marketing campaign. This strategy allows you to create email sequences and schedule their distribution. You can also automate campaigns to target your existing list and have separate ones for onboarding new subscribers. Consider adopting email services that offer automation tools as part of your email marketing strategy. MailChimp is a common example that provides the necessary email automation to help enterprises organize their campaigns. Content marketing. Content development is a tool that helps create trust and engagement with potential consumers. Customers respond to relevant and well-crafted content. With the right content attracting more leads from your audience, you generate significant ROI from your campaigns. Authenticity is the main driving factor of a successful content marketing campaign. Consumers demand genuine information from the content they consume. In addition, the reliable material that you offer must conform to a continually evolving digital marketing landscape. Furthermore, audiences vary across industries. Some audiences may respond positively to the top 10 listicles, but others may prefer more focused articles that only discuss one subject. Generally, you must create content that appeals to specific target audiences while maintaining authority. Being authoritative requires research. Your content marketing strategy must assure readers that the information you are delivering to them is relevant and valuable. Avoid thinking that people will fall for sensational headlines and guarantee that clicking on your pages serves them well. Mobile marketing. Digital marketing has never been the same since Apple introduced the smartphone in 2007. This new device created a rapid shift in the way consumers obtain products and enjoy services. Essentially, the introduction of mobile internet devices lets people live online. There are consumers in social media channels, search engines, and video streaming sites, all of which are accessible on mobile devices. As such, enterprises must have a mobile marketing strategy built to reach people utilizing these platforms. Business websites must be optimized for readability across handheld devices of various sizes while still delivering the same message. Being mobile-friendly is important since consumers are likely to discover your enterprise after searching for your services on a mobile phone. For example, suppose you run a small Italian food joint based in Minneapolis. Potential customers looking for pizza would simply pull out their phones and enter "pizza near me" to satisfy their cravings. Thus, your mobile marketing strategy must ensure that your pages reach the customers that rely on their phones for the products and services they are looking for. Their attention is on their screen, so you need to stand out against all the online noise. Website evaluation, analytics and SEO. Finally, website evaluation is a critical component of any brand's digital marketing strategy. Evaluating a brand's website involves reviewing the analytics to determine its overall performance. By understanding a website's inner workings, you will know what areas may need improvement and which strategies you can focus more resources on. Search engine optimization is an element of website evaluation. SEO campaigns offer a wide range of benefits, including higher ranks on search engine results pages, SERPs, better lead generation, more popularity in your area, and ongoing support. All these benefits point toward an improved online brand presence. Generally, SEO services can be involved in other digital marketing activities. It determines how the display ads, social media posts, videos, emails, or content that you produce reach your intended audience. With the right SEO strategy, you get more organic traffic as users will land on the search results of the potential customer looking up certain keywords. Analytics and SEO are measurable marketing solutions. Through website evaluation, you track the progress of these activities and get insights into your campaigns. You would then use the results to inform your future campaigns. Some tools can help you track analytics and SEO by yourself, but a digital marketing company in Minneapolis can be more effective in evaluating the results. Fundamentals of digital marketing. Digital marketing has revolutionized the way businesses reach and engage with their customers. It has also made it possible to track and measure campaign results with ease. Through digital marketing, businesses can connect with more people in a cost-effective manner. Digital marketing covers all aspects of an online brand's presence. This includes the website and SEO strategies that inform its social media, email, and video advertising efforts. Understanding how each of these elements work is critical in developing an effective digital marketing strategy. Brand website. An enterprise needs a digital presence in the form of a website. These websites must be responsive and able to adapt to the customer's preferred mode of viewing the website. Whether they are using a desktop computer or a handheld device, the website must adjust to the screen while delivering the same message. Web design determines whether the web page is mobile-friendly or compatible with a device. A lot of website owners make the mistake of thinking that a one-size-fits-all approach to web design would suffice. This move is often impractical and may result in a higher rate of web users leaving the site. Thus, proper web development is a good investment. Usability is also essential to web design. Visitors should easily find what they are looking for on your website. A site that is easy to navigate ensures that visitors will not become frustrated or leave immediately. You are essentially assuring them that you have the answers that they seek. Mobile friendliness is especially important in web design. Considering that users open over 61.9% of emails on mobile devices, clicking on any links from the email should redirect them to a website that they can easily navigate on their phone. Search engine optimization. Another digital marketing fundamental is the utilization of search engine optimization strategies across all the web development activities your brand adopts. Talented and competent developers will highlight online searching as one of the best tools that inform professionals and consumers alike. They use this to help you with the technical aspects of your website. Digital marketing agencies that offer SEO services are dedicated to improving visibility in search engines. Online visibility is your most valuable online asset as it establishes your brand presence. When you can reach your target customers as they look up your products and services on a search engine, you are effectively building brand awareness and driving conversions. As your website becomes more visible, it will generate more traffic. Traffic is the number of visitors that come to your website. Once you have increased traffic, you can start to generate leads, which are people that are interested in what you have to offer. Be sure to have a clear understanding of search engine optimization in your digital marketing plan. Why is Minneapolis digital marketing important? Improving digital marketing efforts is critical to an enterprise's success in the existing market landscape. For many people, a lot of facets in their lives depend on the internet, like shopping online. Research from Statista explored the online shopping frequency according to online shoppers around the world and found that 20% shopped weekly while 31% shop monthly. Online shopping is shaping up to be the norm, opening business opportunities to get loyal customers. Meanwhile, people could use the internet socially as they connect with their loved ones living in other states. Professionally, they may heavily rely on the internet to do their jobs, especially in light of the increase in adopting remote setups among companies following the COVID-19 pandemic. According to census data from the Minnesota Department of Employment and Economic Development, about 190,000 locals were working from home in 2019. This figure represented about 6.5% of the state's labor force. By March 2021, estimates showed that over 600,000 adopted teleworking permanently or temporarily. The digital world has become a staple in our lives, and this is unlikely to change anytime soon. Enterprises that have not catered to this trend have found themselves at a disadvantage. Therefore, digital marketing in Minneapolis is necessary to reach out to potential customers where they are spending most of their time, online. How can an effective digital marketing strategy help you? With a successful digital strategy, enterprise businesses can reach out to more potential customers in the fast-paced, technology-driven world we live in today. With the right strategy driving your marketing campaigns, you can achieve the following. Increase brand awareness. Your enterprise may be a leading name in your industry, but it might not be the same case with the general public. An effective digital marketing strategy can help increase brand awareness and make your enterprise a familiar name to potential customers. Small businesses will also need all the exposure they can get to reach a wider audience and establish themselves in their industry. Even without the advanced marketing solutions that bigger companies rely on, they can establish their digital presence with an appropriate strategy. Generate more leads. More brand awareness can eventually lead to more leads. A higher web ranking from an effective digital marketing strategy will lead to more clicks, which means more web traffic and potential customers. Once potential customers are familiar with your enterprise, they will be more likely to inquire about your products and services. Accordingly, you can then direct them to your sales funnel and turn them into customers. Improve customer retention. An increase in leads also means an increase in new sales. If you have a brand website that assures customers that they are in the right place, they are more likely to stick around. Acquiring new customers can be difficult and expensive, but with the right digital marketing solutions, you can get new customers and keep your existing ones. Accelerate growth. Revenue growth is the eventual goal of most enterprises. More leads mean more sales, and more sales eventually lead to more revenue. With a successful digital marketing strategy, you can reach more potential customers and grow your business faster. However, going about it alone can take a significant amount of focus from your company's core competencies. Getting a digital marketing company on board to oversee your strategies is essential. Benefits of working with a Minneapolis digital marketing firm. A full-service digital agency will have a team of experts with the necessary skills to take your business to the next level. Digital agencies in Minneapolis can help your local business thrive in the online space since they know how to navigate the local market. Generally, getting a dedicated digital marketing agency to handle your marketing efforts can also save you time, money, and effort. As described in this post, digital marketing involves a lot of elements that you will have to learn and implement to ensure their efficiency. Small businesses may not have the same resources that bigger enterprises do that allow them to self-manage their digital marketing efforts. Here are 10 more reasons why you should get a digital marketing company to oversee your digital strategy. Get started on your digital marketing strategy with PERC. Whether you need to improve your existing digital advertising operations with additional services or start from scratch, PERC Digital Marketing has the web development skills and e-commerce development experience to help you navigate the Minneapolis marketing industry. Our marketing consultants are standing by to assess your goals and determine your next steps. From media planning to creative digital solutions, you can count on us to work with you for your overall success. Contact us for a free consultation. Thanks for watching. Take the first step towards digital marketing success and contact PERC today.